Hey Capone family, my name is Coco Capone and this is my 2016 Scat Pack Dodge Challenger. And today I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery. So it's really simple. All you need is your key fob, a flathead screwdriver, or you can utilize the key, which is what I'm going to do today, and your battery. You need the 2032 batteries, and you can pick these up anywhere that sells batteries. I mean, seriously, Walmart, Target, convenience stores, AutoZone, everywhere that sells batteries, this is where, just pick it up, the 2032. Alright, so I'm utilizing the key, so I don't have a screwdriver with me. So it's really simple how we're going to do this. You're going to take this button here on the back, and you're going to push it over, and that's going to release this key. So just push it over and release the key. So now you have just your fob. So what we're going to do now is, you can see, put this on my microfiber cloth here so I don't scratch the car. You can see that there are two holes. Can you see that very well? Alright, so one is the key slot on the bottom, is your key slot, and this other one, this is where we're going to put our key or your screwdriver, and just kind of wiggle that loose and open that. Grab my key again. So we're just going to kind of wiggle that loose. Just kind of separate those. Super easy. And we're going to take it apart. So now it's apart. So take this and set it down. You don't need that right now. Your battery is going to come out really simple. There is a little open lip here, and you're just going to pop that battery out. So now I'm going to take my key and open my battery pack. Alright, let's get our battery open. Just take that battery out. Again, it's the 2032. And you're going to put this battery in with this part down. So you're just going to slide it in there. Come on, battery. There we go. Just going to slide it in there. It'll clip in. And then you're just going to stick them back together. Just put them back together. Don't press any buttons. I set my panic alarm off on my journey once doing this. Alright, so it's back together. It's all closed and sealed. Put the key back in. Clipped in. It's ready to go. Now we're going to start her up just to make sure we did this right. So start. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is how you change your key fob battery. And she's beautiful, isn't she? Okay, so we're going to turn it off so you guys can hear me talking. Alright, so any car for Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, maybe even Fiat, I'll confirm and I'll put that down below, that utilize this key fob with the remote start should utilize the same battery. It's the same battery for my Journey, it's the same battery for our Ram, it's the same battery for this car, so I mean it should be. I'll definitely double check and I'll put it down below, but super simple that you can change that just in a few minutes. So thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching. I hope this helps, and stay tuned because we'll have more videos as we're editing and just having a lot of fun with this car here. So I'm super excited to post more videos for you guys. So we'll see you soon.